In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper method for Rain-Xing the outside of your windshield and the inside as well. Once you have the entire interior surface of the windshield clean, you're going to take and apply a small amount of the anti-fog solution to a clean 100% cotton cloth. That should be enough to do the windshield. You're going to want to take care not to get this solution on any painted surface or surfaces that are not transparent. So take the extra little bit of time and ensure that you don't get it on any of your interior components that may have paint on them. You do not need to use a circular method when applying this solution. We're going to rub it all over the interior surface and then buff it dry in the circular method.